Well, today made it out back, got this thing running. Going to shoot a video to take it out, cut up some wood with it, some hardwood. It's missing a few things, but I think we got enough here to make a run to help my buddy Brian Gray. So let's get to that video. Let's see if we can get it started one more time for you. Okay guys, so that's the 2-man running. That is that's 3 out of 4 saws running. Maybe, just maybe. Let me shut this light off. Shut this door. Put this door closed here and it'll straighten out the light. so this baby runs. I think if I find the right file for this, or maybe Brian or Buckin or somebody that's watched this, or Bellhopper, one of you guys let me know what file to use on this. Maybe I can get this thing sharpened. It's not terrible. They could use some help. They took the rakers away down. Anyway, that is that machine. This one up here, that was gonna need a little more work. It's missing a few parts. Still looking for them. So, Sunday. You guys having a great time? Hanging out here at home, messing with chainsaws. Y'all take care. Have a great Sunday.